In today's video, I will walk you through how to add a combo chart in PowerPoint. Select the slide where you want to add the chart, then go to the Insert tab and click Chart. In the Insert Chart window, choose Combo. If you don't see it, select All Charts first, then choose Combo. Select a preset option such as Clustered Column, Line on Secondary Axis, and click OK. An Excel-style spreadsheet will open automatically. Replace the sample data with your own values. Once you have entered your data, close the spreadsheet window. The combo chart on your slide will update automatically. To customize the chart, click on it and use the Chart Design tab to change colors, styles, or chart elements. You can also select Change Chart Type and choose Combo to adjust the chart type for each data series. If needed, enable a secondary axis for specific data series. To summarize, insert a combo chart, enter your data, close the spreadsheet to update the chart, and use the Chart Design tab to customize the appearance and chart settings. Once your chart looks the way you want, it is ready to use in your presentation. Thank you for watching the video.